Hey everyone, I'm Sam from Vyron Electric Bikes, and today I thought I'd give you a bit of a rundown on the Vyron Nimbus folding electric bike. So we've had this model for a few years now, but we keep improving it every year. So as you can see, it's got the 20-inch wheels and they're 2-inch wide, so really good grip and also comfort. We put the Sun Tour front suspension to give you a bit more comfort up front. We've got the 250 watt Bafang rear motor and the Tektro disc brakes. We've got a 15.6 amp hour 36 volt battery that is removable and very easily replaceable, which is always a big thing. It's got the front lights that run off the battery, the mud guards, the rear rack. Up here we've got the standard model does come with a LED display, but this is upgradable to a digital display for an extra $100. And as you can see, it's very easy to use. We also include an optional throttle free of cost, a bell. You got your 7-speed Shimano Altus rear derailleur, and obviously your brake levers there with the electronic cutout. These come in white, red or black, and they're $1,500. And I'll just quickly show you how to fold it. Very easy. Put those down, fold your pedals, put your left pedal at about 130. From here we fold the handlebars down, and then fold the middle part while putting this nice stand up, and then around you go. And we've actually included a little stand saddle. So if you want to come and, if you're interested, these only weigh about 22 kilos with the battery, 19 without. So if you're interested, come down, check them out, take them for a test ride. Thank you.